Good morning, student. SYBSc Physics Semester 4 Oscillation Waves and Sound paper first. The next article is Sabine's formula without derivation. This is small article, but this is very important article to find the reverberation time of empty hall and furnished hall. W.C. Sabine determine the reverberation time of empty hall and furnished hall of different sizes and made following conclusion. He has made some conclusion for empty hall as well as furnished hall. First one is the reverberation time depends on reflection properties of hall, floor and ceiling of the hall. The reverberation time depends which factor. First one is floor, second one is ceiling of the hall. Then second one is the reverberation time depends directly upon volume, capital V of the hall. How much volume of the hall? Then third one is the reverberation time depends on the absorption coefficient of various surfaces such as carpets, cushions, curtains present in the hall. This is the factor to affect the reverberation time. Then next one is fourth one is the reverberation time depends on frequency of the sound wave as absorption coefficient of most of the material increases with frequency. The Sabines have summarized these results in the form of following equation. The equation is capital T is equal to small k V upon capital A. What is by V? V is the volume of the hall, E is the surface are equivalent to complete absorption, and K is the constant which depends on the speed of the sound. The area A for the total absorption of the sound is given by equation capital A is equal to A1S1 plus A2S2 plus A3S3 plus A4S4 up to summation of A into S. What is by A? A1, A2, A3 are the absorption coefficients of surfaces of area. S1, S2, S3 respectively. Okay, these are the surfaces S1, S2, S3 and so on. He defined the absorption coefficient of a surface as the ratio of sound energy absorbed by the surface to that absorbed by an open window of equal area. What is the absorption coefficient of open window? We have to discuss in last article. Open window absorption coefficient is 1. Okay, fully it cannot reflect any waves. Okay, with a measurement with A, capital A measured in open window unit, this formula becomes T is equal to 0.161 capital V upon A. What is by V? V is in meter cube and capital A in meter square. V means volume and A means area. Okay. The equation is T is equal to 0.05 volume per area, where V is the cubic feet. Okay, that is the volume, and A in square feet. The optimum reverberation time for an auditorium or room of course depends upon its indeed use. Around 2 seconds is desirable for medium-sized general purpose auditorium that is to be used for both speech and music. Okay, there will be no reflection will be there in this hall. A classroom should be much shorter, less than a second, means their reflection is less than a second. This is the Sabines formula.